Okay, Manette. Just thought I'd show you what's going on. There's that overhang that my landlord put in. So I can stand, excuse me, can stand here on my front porch, there's my front door, and not get rained on. With just one wave after another coming in, this will last for 20 or 30 minutes, and then it'll stop, and then it'll pick up again, like it's doing now. And that wind, by the way, is out of the west. As soon as I round this corner, I'm looking due west. And this is south. There's my landlord's house, Marty and Michelle's house. That's the one that the divorced mother and the 4 boys might inhabit. I told you about. This is my old black car. I'm going to sell it, and this is my newer CRV that I'm going to drive to Texas, Lord willing. And then out this way is east. Here's my landlord's orchard, and that's facing north. So it's one of those wet, rainy, windy Pacific Northwest days. It's amazing. This is such a big country, really. It's not like Russia or anything, but can you imagine the weather going on here versus the weather going on in Bandera today? Okay.